Did you know that anxiety is actually a survival mechanism? Yet most of us spend our lives trying to escape it. But should we really be running away from anxiety, or is there another way to deal with it? Stick around because in the next 5 minutes we're going to break down the truth about anxiety and what you can do to harness its power instead of fearing it. Anxiety, it's something we've all experienced. That nervous feeling before a big presentation, the racing heart before an important exam, or even that unexplained sense of worry that just won't go away. But what if I told you that anxiety itself isn't the problem? The way we react to it is. Today we're going to explore why running away from anxiety might not be the best approach, and instead how we can work with it to improve our lives. First, let's understand what anxiety actually is. Anxiety is our brain's way of protecting us. It triggers the fight or flight response, preparing us for potential threats. Back in prehistoric times, this was a lifesaver. But in today's world, where the threats are more psychological than physical, this response can sometimes feel overwhelming. So why do we instinctively try to escape anxiety? Because it's uncomfortable. No one enjoys a pounding heart, sweaty palms, or overthinking every decision. But here's the twist. Avoiding anxiety can actually make it worse. The more we resist, the more it persists. Research shows that trying to suppress anxious thoughts only strengthens them, creating a vicious cycle. So what can we do instead? Let's talk about 3 powerful strategies. Reframe your mindset. Instead of seeing anxiety as the enemy, try viewing it as a signal. Your body is trying to tell you something. Maybe it's urging you to prepare better for a task or warning you about something important. A simple mindset shift from I'm anxious to I'm excited can change how you experience anxiety. Face it, don't escape it. Exposure therapy, a widely used psychological technique, suggests that facing anxiety in controlled ways helps us desensitize to it over time. If social anxiety stops you from speaking up, start small. Say hello to someone new every day. The more you practice, the less power anxiety has over you. Use grounding techniques. When anxiety spikes, grounding exercises like deep breathing, the 5-4-3-2-1 technique, naming things you see, hear, touch, smell, and taste, or mindfulness can help bring you back to the present moment. These methods can calm your nervous system and prevent panic from taking over. Anxiety isn't something to be feared or avoided. It's a part of being human. Instead of running away from it, what if we learned to embrace and manage it? Next, time you feel anxious, remember that it's just your brain's way of looking out for you. The real question is, will you let it control you or will you take charge? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental wellness. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when dealing with anxiety? Let's keep the conversation going.